Let's learn how to record incoming and outgoing calls on your mobile. In this A05s mobile, you don't want to download third-party application for recording calls. It already comes with default system settings. Open your mobile call icon. Click on this three dots icon on top right corner and go to settings. Click on record calls option. In here, you can enable auto record calls like this. You can find your past recorded calls by clicking recorded calls option. In this method, you can record your all incoming and outgoing calls.